Guys, this is yesterday's continuation vlog. You might have seen the Murdeshwar temple vlog, and this is continuation from the Murdeshwar. Now you know guys where we are going. It's Goa. Yes guys, it's we are going for Goa, and it hardly takes 5 hours from Murdeshwar temple, so we decided to go to Goa. Guys, before getting inside the video, you know right what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. Goa is one of India's top holiday destinations, and it's easy to see why there is so much this state is famous. You'll get to know the end of the Goa series. So don't miss to watch all my series. So who are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, from the shopping at the various markets to eating the local cuisines and water sports, Goa is well known for a lot of unique offerings. Take a look at this videos. Guys, reason why Goa is famous just because fantastic beaches. Yes, in that most famous beach I can say it's a Baga beach. Now we are going for that beach only guys. Come on, follow me. Guys, in Goa, if you want to enjoy the festive atmosphere, then you have to come in the November end or in the December. Definitely enjoy the festive atmosphere throughout the Goa. Why everybody likes to come to Goa? Just because to enjoy or relaxing. So that relaxation definitely you'll get it in Goa. So that's because of water sports and beach shakes, cheap alcohol, then dolphin spotting, cashew nuts, fanny and Goa sausage. Guys, in Goa there is a great advantage, like you can even rent a two-wheeler or four-wheeler. It depends how you like. The great way to explore the state is on two wheels, the wind in your hair as you zip from one beach to the next. Renting a bike in Goa is convenient, easy and relatively inexpensive. Bike rentals typically start at Rs 200 per day for non-geared scooters and increase according to the type of bike you choose. With its chilled out vibe, time slows down in Goa, and it is the type of place you can spend 2 days or 2 months in and you will still never want to leave. Guys, now we almost reached the Baga beach. Goa's Baga Beach is a small but perfect beach located between its two more famous cousins, that is Anjana on one side and Kalangut on the other side. It is a good place to enjoy some quiet moments and well in peaceful contemplation with oneself. Here we are entering the Baga Beach. Very pleasant. The Baga beach is more of a fishing beach with the tourists from across the world trying to get that big catch. The Baga River flows down from one side, offering a pleasant for children and those who love the water but can't resist the rip currents that swirl round the mouth, where the river and the sea meets. And on the far right bank, tourists at Baga Beach will see a group of black rocks against which the sea crashes. Guys, this time in Goa, I have not seen not even a single foreigner. But here, this place, the massage also happens. So you can even see in the video. This is for sunburn. You can just relax and just go and take a bath in the beach. And then again, you can come and relax. So that is a place it is. So come on guys, let's go. The Baga beach, this side, if you watch, it is running water, and here the waves are coming. Beautiful guys, it is really a beautiful, and views also you can see. And in this video you can even see the sunset. I'm going to show you guys, don't miss to watch full video. The parachute is there, the speedboat is there, and even the banana ride is there. So whichever the sport you want, you can really enjoy a lot. So here are the rides. Guys, now I'm gonna show you a beautiful view, guys. Just have a look. Wow, look at the boat, even the beach and the sun. Guys, you can observe the sunset. Guys, now I'm leaving, so it's time to go back. And from another 2 to 3 days, it is going to be a Goa vlogs, guys. Don't miss, it is going to be more interesting videos. This is a Baga beach video, and many more beaches and many more interesting historical places also I'm going to show you guys. Don't miss to watch, and to watch all those videos, just hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications. Guys, I hope you really had a great time watching this video, and thanks for spending your valuable time to watch this video. Who are really watching my videos without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos, and let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.